Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone number is active and accessible because WhatsApp ties accounts to that number. Once confirmed, plug both devices into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Open WhatsApp on your old phone, go to Settings Chats Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now. Choose Google Drive or iCloud as needed. Make sure backups include videos if you want them. This step exports your message database so the new phone can restore it. Next, move the SIM or confirm your number can receive the verification code on the new device. Verification is mandatory. Install WhatsApp from the Play Store or App Store, open it, and accept terms. Enter the same phone number and input the SMS or call code when prompted. Once verified, WhatsApp detects a backup and shows Restore. Tap Restore and let the app download and decrypt messages. Be patient, large backups take time, and videos increase restore duration. After restore completes, finish profile setup and verify that chats, groups, and media are present. Make sure notifications and permissions are enabled so messages sync properly. If something's missing, first check the backup timestamp on the old phone and that you're signed into the correct Google or Apple ID. If restore fails repeatedly, rerun a fresh backup on the old device or use a local transfer method for Android, copy/WhatsApp folder. Finally, if verification code won't arrive, request a call and confirm carrier support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.